After watching this video, you will be able to make map animations like this. So watch till the end. So here I am in After Effects and we will need an extension called GeoLayers 3 and you have to download it and you can watch YouTube videos tutorials how to download it and implement on After Effects. And after downloading you will not see this panel, so first of all you will have to go on window, then extensions, and then you will see an extension called GeoLayers. You have to enable it, and after that you will see this panel. And as you can see, I have worked on some projects. Now to create a new project you will have to go on a new project, then we will have to create a map form and we will click next, and here you can select multiple styles and we will go with this one. So we will select this and select the country which we want to animate and make map animation, and after that we will click on create, and this will create a map form. And as you can see, there is our map, and it is in low quality, but we can fix this by clicking this finalize button, and it will be in good quality now. So after that we will click on OK, and there is a search bar above. So here is a search bar where we can search country name. So I will search India, and you can write any country name which you want to animate, and after that you can see there is an Indian map, but it is not correct map, so we will have to fix it. So I have given you a file in the description which is India GeoJSON file. You have to download it and import it from here. As you can see, I am importing the file, and I have given this file in the description. You have to download it if you are animating India map, and here you can see it is the correct map of India. So now we have to make its feature, so we will click on this pen tool and click on draw feature, and it will highlight the country on the map, and now you can see it has highlighted the country in the map. So now we will add some strokes and add a flag in this. So first of all we will have to duplicate this layer, so we will go here and press Ctrl D, selecting that layer and put it down. Then we will turn off its fill, so we will go here in fill and remove its fill, and after that we will add a stroke. So we will go to add, then stroke, and then we will add a stroke here in the second layer. Then we will set the stroke width to 50, and after that we will add some animation in it. So we will select the layer and go to add, and then trim paths, and here you can see the trim paths, and we will have to animate it by providing the keyframe values. So we will add keyframes in the end position, and you can see if we change its value, the strokes is moving. So we will hit a keyframe here, move it forward, and set the first keyframe value to 0, and then we will select both the keyframes and press F9 to ease them, and then select the graph and change it to like this. So now you can see the stroke animation which is looking good. After that we will add a flag image. So I have also given this in the description, and then here we have to place it between both the stroke and the highlight of country. So in between we have to place it, and we will have to use position keyframes to position it according to the map and cover it entirely. As you can see, it is covered entirely. Then we will go to track matte here, and we will select it to alpha matte, and the flag image will be perfectly fitted according to the country's shape. So we can also change its blend options, so we can go in blend and change change it to linear light. So it is looking good now. And also we have to parent the image file to the world map from anchor. So as we when move for zoom in or zoom out effect, the flag remains in the same position. And now we will add some zoom in or zoom out effect, some motion in it. Till then our map is looking like this, and also with the stroke we have made some basic animation. Now we will go here, and there is a keyframe. First of all we will adjust it in the center. Then there is a keyframe button, you can see here. You have to click on it, and the keyframes will be visible in the map form layer in the bottom here. And we have to modify them for making zoom in or zoom out effect, or to make motion in the map. And if we can zoom in and zoom out here from here using slide or pinch, and using keyframes, we will give them animation. We can also change values from here, and it will look like this. So our animation is now looking like this, and now we will select all the keyframes and change its graph. So we will select the keyframes and go to graphs, and we will make our graph look like this. So it is looking like this now, which is quite good. So our map animation is done, and this was the basic country map animation. And you can choose any country to animate. And as you can see, there is a watermark here in the left. So to remove it, you have to go to here and then settings, and then you have to select the attribution and open it and select it to none. So the watermark will be removed. And here it is complete, our animation. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you.